Today I'm showing you exactly how to get that thick, creamy, high protein texture using the Ninja Creami. I'll be sharing my essential tips and tricks along the way as we whip up a 50-gram protein banana cream base. So first off, don't put a lid when you put it in the freezer. If you do put a lid on top, you'll get that little bump in the middle, and that's not gonna be good for when you run the machine. It may damage the blade. If you damage the blade, you won't get any ice cream. Number two, I'm gonna run this under some hot water. So 30 seconds to a minute. Just wanna kind of wake it up a little bit. So as far as the creamy we're making today, this is a banana cream. I use Fairlife milk, 1 medium banana, protein powder, some Oikos banana Greek yogurt, xanthan gum, and some salt. The yogurt adds some more protein and makes it a little more creamy. Gets you more of that gelato texture. I put the xanthan gum in there for that extra thickness because I really like the ice cream nice and thick. I don't like it when it's all soupy. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. That's pretty important. So we're gonna put it on the light ice cream setting and let that run. All right, now let's go ahead and take it out. All right, so this is where everyone freaks out saying, I messed up, I didn't get it right. I must have put something in wrong. Because look at that, very powdery. This isn't something that you'd want to eat. It's just too icy, doesn't really taste good. So quick fix, I'm not gonna put any milk in here because I want this to be thick. The milk would just make it super soupy. So I'm just gonna put it right back in and hit the respin button. Done respinning. So now, after it respawns, it's gonna look like this. If it does get a little crumbly, no big deal. I'm just gonna kind of flatten it using the spoon. And it gets you that thicker texture. And you can see that's nice, smooth, creamy, exactly what we want. Beautiful sight. A little over 50 grams of protein for 400 calories, so pretty good. Yep. The actual banana in there, and by the way, that banana does have to be ripe, but that actual banana in there just really gives it a nice banana taste. And the Greek yogurt really gives that nice creaminess. It's so good. So those are just a few tips and tricks I use for my Ninja Creami. If you guys have any other questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.